How does private DNS work on a mobile device?
Hello there. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of private DNS and how it works on a mobile device. We'll break down this topic into simple, digestible parts to help you better understand what private DNS is, why it's important, and how it functions on your mobile device.
What is private DNS?
Private DNS, or Domain Name System, is a service that translates domain names, which are easy for humans to remember, into IP addresses, which are used by machines to identify each other on the network. When you use private DNS, you're essentially telling your device to use a specific DNS server of your choosing, instead of the default one provided by your Internet Service Provider, ISP, or mobile network.
Why is private DNS important?
There are a few reasons why you might want to use private DNS. One of the main benefits is privacy. Without it, your ISP or mobile network provider can see every website you visit. With a private DNS, your DNS queries are encrypted, preventing others from spying on your internet activity. Another benefit is speed and reliability. Some private DNS providers offer faster and more reliable service than what's provided by default by your ISP or mobile network.
How does private DNS work on a mobile device?
Private DNS works on a mobile device much like it works on a desktop computer. The major difference is the way you set it up. On most Android devices, you can find private DNS settings under the Network and Internet settings. Here, you can choose to use a private DNS provider of your choice by entering their hostname. On iOS devices, changing DNS settings is a bit more complex and usually requires the use of a VPN app that has its own DNS settings. Once set up, whenever you visit a website, your device will use the private DNS server to look up the IP address of the website, rather than the default DNS server provided by your mobile network. This helps to keep your browsing activity private and potentially increase browsing speed. In summary, private DNS is a powerful tool for maintaining privacy and potentially improving internet performance on your mobile device. While the setup process may vary between Android and iOS devices, the overall function remains the same. We hope this explanation has shed some light on how private DNS works on a mobile device and why you might want to consider using it. Thanks for tuning in.